Welcome! Today I'll show you how to withdraw your USDT staking rewards with Timecells. You purchased staking a while ago and now it is time to withdraw your rewards. Open the web page and click on the Sign In button. Enter your phone number, enter the verification code you received. Once logged in, you'll see that 723 USDT is available for withdrawal. Click on Claim Rewards, confirm your withdrawal. Now you'll see that USDT balance is in your account. And just like that, another day passed and you can earn additional 8.21 USDT. Bonus tip: rewards accumulated every second and you can withdraw them anytime, from any country, no restriction. You control your funds.